so welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Vlogmas number 2. So last year I tried to do Vlogmas for the entire December. That did not work out. So this year again I'm gonna try and do vlogs every single day. So it is the second and I already did a vlog for the first, which was yesterday. So it's a regular Saturday. I'm at work in my van and I'm just gonna vlog bits and pieces of the day and try to complete my vlogmas this year. So guys, wish me luck, continue watching to see how my day will go. Okay guys, so I'm going to the airport. I'm gonna ship some stuff off today. The airport is so busy today. Okay guys, so these are what I'm gonna ship out today. I have some wigs to send off. I just reached the airport. I have some wigs and some comforters and other stuff, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm shipping these off today. These are all comforters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, consolidating, packing, and wrapping up. Alright guys, so it's now 5:30 p.m. and I'm just about to leave the airport, so I'm going home now. I didn't get to do much vlog because I spent most of my day packing the stuff to ship out. So I'm gonna leave here now and go home, so I'll see you guys when I get home. It's 6 o'clock and the time is looking like midnight. Alright guys, so I stopped at Reggae Jerk, a Jamaican restaurant. I'm gonna get some steamed fish. Alright guys, so I am home now. I'm about to eat my steamed fish. So tired. So I got some jerk chicken as well. Okay guys, so I'm done eating. I'm really full. I enjoyed my steamed fish. So I'm gonna take a shower now, a pampering shower, and maybe go on my social media or watch a movie, but I'll see you when I get out the shower. Okay, so I'm out the shower now. I removed my wig and the residue from the glue is left on my forehead, so I'm gonna use my alcohol and my cotton to get it off. For the females who wear wigs to bed, how do we all do it? I hate wearing my wigs to bed. I have to remove my wig. It's too uncomfortable to wear wigs to bed unless I'm on like a vacation or something where I have to wear my wig to bed. But as long as I'm home, I'm gonna take it off. Okay, so I'm gonna moisturize my face before I go into my bed. So this is the serum and this is the moisturizer. Alright guys, so that is it for my vlogmas number 2. Thank you so much for watching. If you reached this far in my video and you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please subscribe, hit the post notification bell, hit the thumbs up, comment, share, and I will see you all on my next video. And also stay tuned for vlogmas number